Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got a 2015 Ford F-150 XL here today. We're going to be doing the cabin air filter. Let's go ahead and take that glove box door down. Some of these models do vary. XL, XLT, STX are all going to be like this. I think the Lariat and the Platinum differ with just this trim panel here. But we're just going to go ahead and pull this trim panel. You've got a couple 7mm screws holding this in. Go ahead and get those out of the way. Save those for later. And I like to use a little hook pick and get in this little crevice right here. Give a good pull. Get that owner's manual out of the way. Same thing over here. Just hook in this crevice and pull. And you just got one connector here, electrical connector. You can get that main box out of the way. And in there is the cabin air filter. So that's the HVAC housing. We got some clips. I'll get a good focus here. You just pull back on those clips on the outer edge. They are left and right. They operate in the same manner. You can just pull that back on both sides and it comes out. And that will expose your filter. Pull that out. We're done with that one. And that's what we have here today. So, you gotta remember the airflow is gonna be pointing down on this. So there's our airflow. So the blower motor is below the cabin filter. And the cage pulls the air down and then disperses it through the system. You got the tabs down here that are going to go into the slot of the housing. Let's get a good view of that. Right down into those slots. And just push. So then we're going to put our electrical connector back on. Get a nice snap. Don't forget about our 7mm screws. Start those by hand. Finish them off here. And don't go too tight with those guys. And this trim piece, we got all these little tabs down below that are gonna route into these holes here. So just quick snap all the way across. You can feel it snap in. On the outer edge is the only tricky part. Can't really see it. These fingers go into that slot. So you're just gonna have to finagle that. Sometimes they do not like to go in right. That's all there is to it.